the way of how things are done are because Drew is just like a embodies integrity like in a technician. The way he does, it's not about just the fastest way or quickest or get to the next. There's certain things it's like that's not right, and we're gonna make it that it's right. Like a lot of things, or I've seen in the past working at other places. Say a car comes in, you take the wheels off, like oh my gosh, you've got to hammer it off because it's so corroded or rusted and stuck on both the hub and the back of the rim. And I've seen guys before, and you just drill it in till it goes tight, and it's like that's not right. Like that's not a proper way, and it takes a little bit. It's not fun to buff it off and be inhaling the dust, but it needs to be right, and all kinds of little steps, and seeing it's what in the end it's pays off in your favor. Since you've done the job right, you can feel good about your repair, and especially at this place, most of the customers are repeat customers. So if you cut a corner or whatever on you're just making more work for yourself or a headache for yourself the next time, because that's you kind of pass it forward. Like it's long term. It's not just something comes and you fix it and that's it and band-aid kind of repair. It's about doing it right. And those guys do that in everything that they do. So that was, I think, the main reasons why it's like, I think this is one of the best place that you could do your apprenticeship, because there's that real difference. There's a lot of people that can do a repair or fix a car, but there's things that make a difference in the method that are shown in the quality of ultimately the quality of the work.
Well, I appreciate that statement, James.